Welcome to Legoland Ninjago Weekend. Let's see what's popping. I've never done this one in particular either. Everything Lego is new to me, so I'm just giddy. Come on, y'all. The last time I was here was for their Christmas event. We had a blast. We got on the Lego movie ride, which made me nauseous. It's not for me, but I did like the Lego racers. And today we're gonna do the other two coasters. What is that weird sound behind me? Must be the pirate ships. Anyways, we're about to go in. Let's get the party started. And the event that brought us here, Ninjago Weekend. Let's get our ninja on. So, by Lego Royal Decree, it's the Ninjago Weekend and we have a lot to do. Let's get started. So first up on the agenda, we have to meet a ninja. I have a feeling we can meet a couple of ninjas in here and cross that out immediately. We can meet one of these 6. Your boy's excited. I'm hoping to get Kai. I'm a huge fan of Kai. We're doing a pose. I'm ready for this. Who? Wait. The hands. Okay, let's go. There we go. And suck it in too. Pretty good. Thank you so much. By the way, you got plenty of time to come and check out Ninjago Weekend, but let's go have some fun at the actual Ninjago area, which is just behind the curve over here, my friends. There it is. Let's get started with the brick builds and all the other fun stuff. Welcome to the Ninja Training Courtyard. I'm not gonna lie, I need to put this in my bathroom in my house. This is absolutely the centerpiece right here. Took your boy some time, but I finally got my red dragon up and going. So second challenge done. Looks like the competition for building the dragons is stiff. Like these people, these creators made some of the best Lego dragons I've ever seen, but mine is 100% the best. #1 red dragon. Never thought I'd get a reminder of home here at Legoland. There's the Capitol building. And on February 26th, your boy's gonna bring you a lot more information on this. No Legoland trip is complete without getting on the Great Lego Race. Pray for me because these ride vehicles do not look big back safe. Let's go. Oh my God. That is quite the cloud. Oh! Yo, slow down. About to give this ride a speeding ticket. Why is this so aggressively fast? Oh! Look at the beautiful view. That's a nice view. Oh shit! Yo, what kind of jerk was that? Oh no! Not the dip! Oh my God! Yo! Okay. Oh! Yo, what's up with these brakes? I just had lunch. Chill out. Yo, that was scary as hell. I'm not even gonna. Oh, see, this I like. Why can't more rides be this chill? Just a nice little soft turn. You feel it? No, that is not aggressive. Calm down. Never mind, it is aggressive. Oh! I need help! Oh, shit! Okay, are we good? Oh my God, yo, I'm too big back for this. Help! My side! Oh! Okay, are we done? Oh, okay, this is just simple, right? This is just, oh my God, okay. Okay, not me yelling on a kid's ride. Oh, what do you mean there's more? What? Oh! Oh! Yo, I just threw on my back. Yo, I just chiropractored my back. Help me, Jason Bateman. Okay. Oh, good, we're done. Amen. So, the next activity you can do, which I'm about to do right now, is putting a mosaic together. It looks pretty cool, and I'm gonna show you now. Alrighty, and the mosaic is done. Let's go see him put it on the wall.
Yes, sir.
Here you go, Troy.
There you go.
Just gonna put it up on the board. Brisket on the board.
Brisket on the board.
Bam! There's the money.
All right.
Got Hannah Brooke with me. Got Magic Mile, and of course Zetsu with me. My squad. We're moving on to the food next. It's like a weird. Let me see. It is a balanced bao bun. No idea, but let's put this delicious food in my system. Welcome to Kickin' Chicken, where you can have the balanced bao buns. Let's go make this egregious mistake. I see it, my stomach agrees. Ladies and gentlemen, here is our first meal, the balanced bao buns. 2 steamed bao buns filled with crispy tempura chicken, coated in Japanese barbecue sauce, and topped with fresh cucumbers, carrots, cilantro, chopped peanuts, and spicy mayo. No pause. As I always tell you guys, I am not a food blogger, so please forgive my angles, my corners, my strikes. But here it is. Those cucumbers look very aggressive. With the disapproval of Ethan Hershaft, I'm about to eat this thing. Pray for me, y'all. Too much cucumber. Too much cucumber. Fuck, I forgot to turn on my microphone.
Bro, it's a wannabe big bag.
I am a big bag. Huh?
No, you're a wannabe big bag.
It's not bad.
Really?
It's not bad. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. For the price of $10, it's decent. It brings 2 of them, so you get bang for your buck. He looks very disappointed.
I'm just waiting for my food.
So the final challenge is to catch a show. Let's check out this cool ninja show right quick and in a hurry.
Well, it looks like you're all ready. So, let's officially kick off this elemental challenge with one of the strongest elements, Earth. NINJAGO!
Ladies and gentlemen, mission accomplished. So after the final show, we'll see what the prize actually is. The last time I did Masters of Flight, I cut it short. So this time I'm gonna go on it and record the whole thing. My eyes will be closed for most of the time because this ride makes me sick.
This will be the first time this vehicle has been tested in flight, so there may be some turbulence. Sorry.
Hey yo, pause on that hot dog.
Stronger today.
Oh, my bad. Sorry about that. Let's try this. Hey, we're flying. And we're falling. Everybody's on his cool Unity, the two are back. Okay, we're all fine. Google it! Oh, this is bad!
Get these people out of here!
I should have had laser cannons instead of more cup holders! Hang on!
Oh, Rainbow Road. Fortnite. Oh my God! Closing my eyes again. Minecraft.
You must get the guests to safety. Remember that cave?
What cave?
That one.
Whoa, man down, everyone!
Now we're in SeaWorld.
Serene, peaceful setting. Pirates! Oh, man, Metalbeard. I know that guy. We be battling terrible enemies. Triple kill!
Close them.
We made it!
Like the space game.
It's the coolest thing I've ever seen. Oh no! Too low!
Don't worry, you got this.
Oh my God.
They've got us in a trajectory! Awesome, Betty!
Oh my God.
Oh no! Why are we stopping? I think they're trying to help. Let's make it awesomer! Hey! We made it! That was awesome! We have voted, and the winning invention is the triple-decker couch! Oh, really? Everything is awesome! Everything is cool! When you brought the singing of that song since we just managed to get it out of our heads!
Congratulations, Emmett. You did it.
We did it! Thanks for everything, Master Builders.
Dracula.
Your world is what you make it. Build something incredible! Bye-bye!
That was nauseating. There we have it, the apple fries. As I mentioned many times, I'm not a food blogger and I'm gonna try this. It looks interesting. Hopefully it tastes as good as it looks. Lucky me, I got to try this. Okay, so first is like the ice cream matcha thingamajig. You can totally taste the matcha. 100% matcha. Oh man, what's that after flavor? Now let's try the fried apple. It's actually good.
I promise to honor the dragon, to reach beyond myself, to unite as one, to protect the merged realms, and to always go full ninja! You have all earned your rightful place in our family of Ninjago Ninja. Continue your journey and go forth with strength, life, and energy! Ninja Go! Thank you for joining us at LEGOLAND.
So after having all that fun, doing all those activities and collecting all those stamps, we got our Ninjago coin. And there you have it, Ninjago Weekend at Legoland Florida. I hope you come and check it out. It was a lot of fun. Those activities kept me engaged. If you have little ones, bring the little ones because honestly, this event is perfect for them. I hope you guys get an opportunity. It's going to go on until mid-February, so please come check it out. See you next time.